Alright guys, working on the tank. Like I told you guys, I gotta take this background off. Look how nice it looks. But when it's full with water, you can see all the bubbles. I thought I did a good job putting it on there. I put tape on it, hold it up. I use soap water, squeeze it. I guess when it dry, it just made bubbles. So now I gotta take all the sand out and these other rocks because I'm putting the river rocks back in. I got them in a tote with bleach water cleaning them right now. I got some more water boiling in the pot. I got all the fishes up in this 30-gallon. Mind you, the Oscars are the size of my hand. Got the Jack Disney, flower horns, conference cichlids. Got the Cuban cichlid back there. Two Trimex. And I don't see the flower horn. So when the flower horn is high all the time, it must not been coming out to eat. It must got too weak and got ate. I will try again. Get another flower horn. But anyway, let me get back to work. I gotta pull this tank away from the wall so I can paint the back black. Alright guys, subscribe, check out my channel, check out my different playlists. I got a lot of information, a lot of tips. I am a hobbyist. I save money doing everything I do. Everything look nice. So if you wanna save some money, go to my channel. Like the video, hit the damn like button. Share with your friends and family. Alright, I'm out.